You've been chasing after dreams, thinking that they'll reach. And you think things like this happen to everyone, but I don't think they do. Most of the time two hearts don't fit. That's why people quit on it. And just because your friends all fell in love, you think things like this happen to everyone, but I don't think they do. 'Cause it's just me and you. And don't question me or my love. I swear that I'll be faithful for forever. And don't worry what the world may say. I swear that we can make it. I swear that we can make it. This place is full of broken hearts, but the two of us are set apart. And don't think things like this happen to everyone, 'cause it's just me and you. Oh, and don't question me or my love. I swear that I'll be faithful for forever. And don't worry what the world may say. I swear that we can make it. I swear that we can make it. Before I had you, I had an hollow soul, the bitterness hidden in my bones. And every day was heartbreak, deja vu. 'Cause I thought things like this would never happen, but they happen with you. Before I had you, I had a hollow soul, bitterness hidden in my bones. And every day was heartbreak, deja vu. 'Cause I thought things like this would never happen, but they happen with you.